Hey guys, welcome to the part third of numerical ability and data interpretation. So in this part we will further continue our numerical ability part third of next 10 questions. So here we start with the very first question number 21. A solution of salt and water contain 50% salt by weight. Of it 30 kg water evaporate and the solution now contain 20% of salt. Find the original quantity of salt. A option 90 kg, B option 150 kg, 105 kg, 120 kg. So move to the solution part. Let quantity of original solution is equal to the 100x. The quantity of salt is equal to 15x. When 30 kg of water is evaporated, then total quantity is 100x minus 30. But the quantity of salt will remain same, and now quantity of salt is 20% of original quantity. So put the values 100x minus 30 into 1 upon 5 is equal to 15x. So x is equal to 120 kg. Option D is the correct option in this question. Move to the question number 22. 30 men working 7 days in a hour a day can do a work in 18 days. In how many days will 21 men working 8 hours a day do the same work? A 22.5 days, 21 by 4 days, 22 1 by 4 days, or 20 1 by 2 days. So move to the solution. Step by step explanation. Let require days be x. 30 men working 7 hours a day can do a piece of work in 18 days. So 30 into 7 into 18. MDH, the simple formula. M means months, H means hours, D means days. So days will 21 men working 8 hours a day to the same work. 21 into 8 into x. Put the value in both the side, left hand side or right hand side. You will get x is equal to 30 into 7 upon 21 into 18 upon 8. 180 divided by 8 is equal to 45 by 2. It's mean option A, 22 1 by 2 days. Move to the 23rd question. A man and 6 women finish a job in 8 days while 3 men and 7 women finish in 10 days. In how many days will 10 women finish it? Option A 36 days, 40 days, 44 days or 38 days. Let 1 man 1 day work is equal to x and 1 woman 1 day work is equal to y. 4x plus 6y is equal to 1 upon 8 as 8 days are mentioned, and 3x plus 7y is equal to 1 upon 10. Solving the two equations, we get x is equal to 11 upon 400, y is equal to 1 upon 400. 1 woman 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 400. 10 women 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 400 into 10, 1 by 40. Hence 10 women will complete the work in 40 days. So option B is the correct one. Move to the 24th question. A pipe can fill a tank in 12 minutes, another pipe in 15 minutes, but a third pipe can empty it in 6 minutes. The first two pipes are kept open for 5 minutes in the beginning, and then the third pipe is also opened. In what time is the tank emptied? A 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 50 minutes and 35 minutes. Since the three pipes are open after 5 minutes, fraction emptied in 1 minute. So 1 by 6 minus 1 upon 12 as mentioned plus 1 upon 15. So 10 minus 5 plus 4 upon 60 minutes. So 1 upon 60. 60 minutes to empty fully filled tank. Since the tank is 3/4 filled, then it will take 45 minutes. So the option A is the correct option in this question. Move to the 25th question. A man can do a piece of work in 10 days. With the help of a boy, he can do the same work in 6 days. If they got rupees 50 for that work, what is the share of that boy? A option rupees 20, B option rupees 25, C 30, D 35. Move to the solution part. A man can do a piece of work in 10 days. A man do a part of work in a day is equal to 1 upon 10. With the help of a boy, he can do the same work in 6 days as mentioned. Together they can do a part of work in 1 day is equal to 1.6. So boy can do a part of work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 upon 10, 4 by 60. So boy can do complete work in days, 60 upon 4 is equal to 15. So man and boy ratio is equal to 1 upon 10, ratio 1 upon 15, 15 ratio 10, 3 ratio 2. So they got rupees 50 for that work. So boy share is 2 upon 5 into 50 is equal to 20 and the man share is 30. So the option A is the correct option in this question. So let's move to the further question. A student goes to college at a speed of 3 km per hour and return to the hostel at a speed of 2 km per hour. If he take 5 hours in all, what is the distance between the college and the hostel? Option A is 4 km, B 6 km, C 4.5 km, D 5.5 km. Let the distance between the school and the village or the college is x kilometer. Then time taken by the boy that reached the school distance divided by speed, x upon 3 hours. Time taken by the boys to come back to the college, distance divided by time, x by 2 hours. We know x by 3 hours plus x by 2 hours is equal to 5 hours because it take 5 hours in all. So LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 3x plus 2x upon 6 is equal to 5. 5x upon 6 is equal to 5. 5x is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 5x is equal to 30. X is equal to 6. Hence the distance between the village and the school is 6 km. Option B is the correct one. Then move to the further question. A person cover a distance in 40 minutes. If he runs at a speed of 45 km per hour on an average, find the speed at which he must run to reduce the time of a journey to 30 minutes. Options are 65 km, 60 km, 70 km, 66 km per hour. Move to the solution. If a person cover a distance in 40 minutes at 45 km per hour, then the distance is equal to speed upon time. 45 into 40 upon 16. We divide 40 by 60 because we need to convert it into hours. So 45 into 40 upon 60 is equal to 45 into 2 upon 3. 15 into 2, 30 km. If the distance is 30 km, the time need to be 30 minutes. Then speed is equal to distance upon time. 30 upon 30, 60. Again we are dividing 30 minutes by 30 because we need to convert it into hours again. So while converting 30 into 1 by 2 or 30 into 2, 60 km per hour. If you want to convert kilometer per hour in meter per second, you can directly divide it 5 by 18 meter per second. If you want to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, then you directly multiply the kilometers in 18 upon 5. So you will get the values. So in this question, option B is the correct option. Move to the further question. Two stations A and B are 110 km apart on a straight line. One train starts from A at 8 am and travel towards B at 40 km per hour. Another train starts from B at 10 am and travel towards A at 50 km per hour. At what time they will meet? A 10:18 am, 10:20 am, 10:22 am or 10:15 am. So suppose they meet X hours after 8 am. So distance covered by A is equal to 40 km per hour. So distance covered by B in x minus 2 hours is equal to 50x minus 2 km. So 40x plus 50x minus 2 total is 110 km apart. So 90x is equal to 110 plus 100. 90x is equal to 210. So x is equal to 7 by 3 hours. So convert the value of 7 by 3 hours into 60. You will get 140 minutes, which means 2 hours and 20 minutes they will take. So add 2 hours and 20 minutes in 8 am because the train A start at 8 am. So you will find out 10:20 am is the correct option. Option B is the correct option in this question. Move to the 29th question. How many seconds will a train 100 meter long running at the speed of 36 km an hour take to pass a certain pole? Option A is 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 11 seconds and 13 seconds. So given train length is 100 meter, speed is 36 km per hour, convert 36 km per hour in meter per second. So multiply it 5 by 18. you will get 10 meter per second. So you need to find out time, then mention the formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. 100 is the meter is the distance, 10 meter per second is the speed, so time will take 10 seconds. So the option A is the correct option in this question. Move to the 130th question. The sum of the age of son and father is 56 years. After 4 years, the age of father will be 3 times that of son. What is the age of son? A 18 years, B 10 years, C 15 years, D 12 years. So let x be the present age of the son. So father age will be 56 minus x. After 4 years, that the age of the father will be 3 times that of his son. So 56 minus x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4. So 56 minus x minus 3x minus 12 plus 4 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 56 minus 8 is equal to 48. X is equal to 12. The age of the son is 12. The age of the father is 44. So this part contain 10 question from 21 to 30. So next 20 question will be uploaded in next one day. So stay tuned for further videos. If you want to clarify any doubts, mention in the comment box. Thank you.